Alright, what is Grandpa's name?
Dad Hillsinger.
What is his name?
Grandpa Hillsinger.
How old is he?
55.
What color is his hair?
Black.
And what color is his eyes?
Green.
And what's his favorite food?
Lettuce.
Lettuce? What's his favorite color? What does he like to wear? Well, what kind of clothes?
Hawaiian clothes.
What's Grandpa's job?
Working for the church.
What does he do?
He fixes anything.
Okay, what does he like to eat? What's his favorite restaurant to go to?
Zippies.
Where?
Zippies.
Grandpa's favorite restaurant is Zippy's.
Yeah.
They don't have Zippy's in Virginia.
That's where Uncle Joshua works.
Uncle Joshua doesn't work at Zippy's.
Who does? Walmart. I don't know.
Uncle Joshua works at Chili's.
Oh, Chili's.
Put the blanket down, please. Grandpa's smart because he knows... Because what?
Because he knows me.
So that makes him smart?
He's smart because he remembers faces.
Okay. Grandpa works hard at...
Church.
Grandpa always tells me...
That he loves me.
He does? I'm happy when Grandpa...
FaceTimes me.
I love my grandpa because...
He loves me.
Alright, Cage. What's Grandpa's name?
I don't know.
How old is Grandpa?
I don't know.
What's his hair look like? And what's his eyes look like?
I don't know what his eyes look like.
What's his favorite food?
I don't know.
What's his favorite color?
No.
What's his favorite color?
No.
What does Grandpa like to wear?
That way. Shorts.
Shirts?
No, shorts.
Shorts?
Shorts.
What is Grandpa's job?
I don't know the job.
What does Grandpa love to eat?
I don't know.
Come back over here so we can hear you. If you go over there, I can't hear you.